This is Jaw Crusher and Vibrating Screen Loading Site in the JXSC Workshop. The vibrating screen is a kind of mine classification machine for ore, mine, sand, gravel, coal, slurry, etc. Generally below 50 mesh for the coarse screen, 80 mesh for the fine screen. It's widely used in coal and other industries used as a material classification, mineral washing, dehydration, and sand screening machine. Adopting small amplitude, high frequency and large dip angle structure, the machine has high screening efficiency, maximum processing, long life, low power consumption and low noise. The jaw crusher is usually used as a primary crusher set at the very front of the ore or rock crushing plant to reduce hard rock size. Often forms a complete set of sand production line with the cone crusher, impact crusher, sand making machine, etc. Its suitable materials like granite, marble, basalt, limestone, quartz, pebble, iron ore, copper ore, etc. Its crushing cavity depth and no blind spot, increasing the feeding ability and capacity, high crushing ratio, uniform product size, reasonable price. JXSC can design a reasonable vibrating screen jaw crusher plant depending on your application requirements. Welcome to contact us to support online quotation.